In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how do you activate your Amazon Prime membership. Let's get started. First, launch your preferred browser or launch the Amazon shopping app on your device. Sign into your Amazon Prime account. Once you're logged in, click on the profile icon given at the top right, then select the option accounts and settings. Now here you're going to find different section. Navigate to this section subscriptions. If you have purchased a Prime membership but have not activated it yet, you will see an option to activate membership or start your membership. Tap on that option and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the activation process. If you're signing up for a new Prime membership, choose a subscription plan that works best for you, such as monthly or annual plan. Enter or confirm your payment method, review your membership details, and then tap start your Prime membership or confirm. Once your payment is processed, your Amazon Prime membership will be activated immediately and you'll be able to access Prime benefit including fast shipping, Prime Video, Prime Reading, Amazon Music, and more depending on your reason. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.